Hey guys, most welcome in my YouTube channel. My name is Anshuman and today's video is all about types of doctor. So before beginning in this video, first to ensure that you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you can also follow my social account. They are Luminous Langs and Genius Sunshine. So first type of doctor is general physician. They are family doctor who treat common health problems like they treat common cold, flu, fever, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, asthma. By the way, you guys know that general physician is also referred as family physician. Family physicians are responsible for general care for all ages. For example, routine checkup, vaccination, manage diabetes. And family physician also treat minor injuries. Cardiologists specialize in deal with heart-related condition. For example, they treat heart attack, angina pain. Angina pain, it is acute chest pain, hypertension, it has a high BP problems, cardiac attack, etc. Psychiatrists, they are mental health specialists. Actually, they are the doctor who treat with mental health problem. For example, depression, anxiety disorder, PTSD, post traumatic stress disorder, OCD, obsessive compulsion disorder, schizophrenia, phimosis, DPD are derealization and depersonalization, catastrophizing thinking, hypochondria, and few other mental health problems like insomnia. Dermatologists focus on skin, hair, and nail disorder. They treat with few diseases like acne, fungal infection, skin cancer, unwanted hair loss, alopecia, etc. Oncologists are expert in diagnosis and treatment of cancer. They manage various types of cancer using therapies such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy etc. Ophthalmologists, they are doctors who specialize in eye care and vision related problems. Urologists, doctor of male reproductive parts, or they are those doctors who treat with urinary tract infection. A doctor who performs surgery is called a surgeon. Gynecologists, they are those doctors who specialize in women reproductive health. They diagnose and treat infection of reproductive tract, types of infections like yeast infection, bacterial infection, dentist, doctor of teeth, neurologist. They are medical doctor who specialize in disorder of nervous system. We also say that they are doctor who treat with brain and nerve related problems. Nephrologists, they are doctor of kidney. They treat with chronic kidney disease, kidney failure, nephrotic syndrome. ENT doctor, they treat with ear, nose and throat problems. Pediatrician provide health care to children and teenagers. For example, common cold, influenza, flu, ear infection. Pulmonologists specialize in lungs and respiratory system disease. For example, these type of doctor deal with asthma, COPD, lung cancer. A best example for pulmonologist, a smoker with chronic cough is diagnosed with first state COPD and quit smoking improve his health. Did you know? Oncologists are those doctors who specialize in cancer. They treat with breast cancer, prostate cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer, and blood cancer. A doctor who treats with HIV is called. A doctor who treats with HIV is typically called HIV specialist or infectious diseases physician. Emergency medicine doctor, their duties are provide immediate care for acute illness and injuries. A sports medicine doctor, their duties are treat sports injuries and advise on fitness and recap. Rheumatologist, they are doctor of arthritis. A doctor who treats with bone related problems is called orthoped. Hematologist is a doctor who solve blood related problems. And last type of doctor is doctor of animals. So doctor of animals is called veterinary. Now we see full form of doctor. So D stand for deep feeling, O stand for observing eyes, C stand for caring heart, and I stand for trained hand, O stand for open minded, R stand for real human. I am filled with gratitude and thanks a lot for watching this video.